Selling physical products like this is not the best way to make money on Amazon in 2022. And I understand it. All you hear about making money on Amazon is selling physical products. So you just assume that must be the best way to make money on Amazon, right? Well, I would say it used to be the best way, but not anymore, because I've discovered a brand new and improved and never before seen way of using Amazon to make money called as AGF system, which for number one does not require any startup cost of buying the inventory to sell physical products, because this model does not have any inventory. Number two, this is something that anyone can set up once, which will pay for years and years without doing anything, also known as passive income, which selling physical products is definitely not a passive income. Number three, this is a brand new and untapped Amazon opportunity that almost no one knows about. It means anyone can come in and make a profit without much hassle. And it can be done within days instead of weeks or even months. So if you also want a pie of this brand new untapped Amazon opportunity, then I'm conducting a 3-day AGF masterclass where I will be helping you to launch your first ever digital product on Amazon within just 3 days. And you will also get bonuses worth rupees 10,000 if you join right now. So what are you waiting for? Click on the learn more button below, register yourself, and I'll see you live in the AGF masterclass.